Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You can see the little supermarket there, it's still shut. There's nobody in the bar next door. They were just not making enough money in here. Big bar there, empty. Monte Carlo Avenue. It'd be a good one for the locals. And we're just going to have a walk down and have a look at the port of Benidorm. Back to normal trading now, I think, down there. There it is. Just there. They have stopped work on the new part now. Going to be happening this winter, I think. Well done to Spain getting through in the football. A bit of a training match, I think it was for them. Either that or they made very heavy work of it. Still got through with 2 clear goals there. Fight 3. I think overall, apart from maybe the last 40 minutes, Croatia were pretty poor tonight. Really didn't seem to be up for it. Port Benidorm there. I'll have a look around the front in a minute. Plenty of people in by the looks of it as well. So it was on the balcony, right up to the top. Nice to see them open again. Looking on Facebook today, I've seen a couple of reports saying Benidorm's fully open now. I think we're away from that still. British strip is still out. Obviously the square is still out. All the nightclubs. But what is open down the front, everything's open down there. It's pretty busy. bars down this way. Triangle over there looking for new owners. Of course, farther here, along the background. That's not reopened yet. I don't know if we've got any dates for them opening. There's a new shop that used to be the Indian. See down here, it's pretty busy by the Port Benidorm. People about. The dining room there. Always seem to get this way around. Oh, they're coming up the hill. There we go. Quite a few in at the moment. They did reopen after lockdown and then had to shut again. They were open for a couple of months, I think it was. Had to reshut. They've got it back open now, getting up and running, and plenty of people in there. Brilliant. Lots of good reports on this hotel, of course. Seating area over by the road there. Gonna lose in a minute the bus. Love getting in the videos, the buses. The dining room up there. Okay guys, it's the first video done tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know you've subscribed. Want to see more from Benidorm, watch the one that's coming up in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.